Happy Friday, y'all. Hope y'all boys are having a great, amazing day. Today is a beautiful day to be a trader. I'm not gonna lie. At least it was for me. If you took news into your advantage, you did great today. So we're gonna get straight into it. Here is my PL for today. Now, if you tapped into the video yesterday, first of all, I would like to apologize because my mic was off the whole time. Like, I hate when dumb shit be happening. But anyways, as you guys can see, I literally took two trades. Actually, I took one trade on my 50K accounts, and I took two trades. One trade copied over to the others, and one trade just copied to these accounts. So I think I had made like $200-300 on these two accounts. These are the two 100K accounts that Apex had gave me back. If you watched the video yesterday, you know that they had tried to bullshit me and homie. But yeah, they had gave me my 100K accounts back. So I had made like $200 on both of those accounts because it wasn't in my trading plan to be trading, two other accounts. I only planned on trading 450K accounts, but it's fine because today, the news day. Actually, let's look at TradingView. Today was a news day. If you were trading today, you know at 8:30, if you trade futures, if you trade the stock market, of course, then you wouldn't have seen this or been able to trade this pre-market. But let me tell you, I caught it from here all the way to here. I caught actually over a 180 point move. I can show you guys in the Discord. Every time market news was coming out, I used the same strategy, which you guys will see here. Hold on. As you guys can see right here, I had marked a couple points down, about 20 or ish points away right here for the sell, and about like 40-50 points away for here just in case we would have shot up. So funny thing is, actually, let's watch the clip real quick. Funny thing is, when we hit 8:30, it happened so fast. As you guys can see, I have my buys ready and my sell ready. So if we slip through here, I already have my buy stop ready to trail and lock in profits in case we start jumping back up or something like that. So basically, as you guys can see, we started getting a little bit more volatile as it came to like 8:29 a.m. Let's zoom forward a little bit, and then boom, it happened in literally a split second, just like that. As you guys can see, I think my entry was right here. But I didn't get filled to all the way down here. The spreads were so high, it pushed down that fast. That was literally what, almost 100 points in half a second, like. And I got filled way lower than where I wanted to get filled at. Actually, like 20 or 30, 40 points lower. And still scored. As you guys can see, as soon as I got filled, I was already up 23 points. And I was only in two contracts too, which was I didn't have the intentions on making anything under over 800. I didn't really have the intent on making anything over $800, which was crazy. My profit target was literally 500, so I was just going for my profit target and I was gonna shut it down for the day anyways. So the fact I caught this damn near over half of the move, as you guys can see, I'm trying to trail it. We go from 59 points of profit, 72, 101. It's going crazy, and we're not even going yet. As you guys can see, I had a screenshot. I had to show chat, man. Like, I know some of the people in my chat actually finished the challenge today because of the news and because we played news. Some other people in the chat also completed their funded challenge today, but obviously none of us have traded a minimum of 7 days. Therefore, for the rest of the days, obviously we're just gonna probably take one little M&Q trade and then get out and chill for the day. So we can get our 7 minimum trading days, so we can go ahead and get the PA account. But as you guys can see, we're bouncing around in profit. We just went up another 10 points, boom, 20 points. I think the peak was 191 points. I think that was the peak. And after that, I put my trailing stop a little bit closer. Ended up dropping a lot more after this. But I think I ended up getting out for like some mediocre 170 points. Real mediocre, right? Right, facts. But yeah, it was fun, I ended up completing the challenge way quicker than expected. My trading plan, it took about 7 days to reach. In my trading plan, meaning I was only gonna do $500 a day. That's it per account, $500 a day, and I'm using a trade copier. Simple, but ended up completing the whole challenge on a Friday. Well, it was news. But yeah, on a Friday, the whole account, and this was like day 2, day 3. So that's crazy. Super thankful that I was able to catch that movie for me. But it was just paper. So now I can't get complacent, can't get too comfortable when I do end up getting my PA account. We still have to make sure we get a nice buffer in between where I'm going to be taking profits from and the trailing drawdown or the max drawdown. I need a cool $5,000 buffer before I even withdraw any other money from these funded accounts, because you never know what could happen. You never know what could happen. So, with that being said, y'all boys have a beautiful, wonderful, blessed day. When I do end up signing the contract and getting my certificate and all that beautiful stuff, I will hit y'all with a video and inform y'all on how that process works. But yeah, basically today we're funded $400,000. 400,000. We haven't fully completed the mission yet though, until I get the first payout and the second payout and the third payout, and after that I get max payouts. That's when you complete the mission. But I mean, first step was literally pass the evaluation. I passed 6. 450K accounts and 200K accounts. $400,000 in total funded. That's crazy. So I got to make sure I use this opportunity to my advantage and don't take it for granted and fuck some shit up.